If you're a YouTube content creator, you already know the hustle is real. Between brainstorming new video ideas, writing scripts, filming, editing, making thumbnails, engaging with comments, and trying to crack the code of the elusive YouTube algorithm, it's a full-time job. Scratch that, it's several full-time jobs wrapped into one. But what if I told you there's a way to free yourself from some of the most time-consuming tasks? Better yet, what if I told you AI tools can help you boost productivity, grow your channel faster, and take your content to the next level? If you're thinking that sounds too good to be true, buckle up. We're about to dive into the magical world of YouTube automation with AI. First things first, why should you even care about automation? Well, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and it's saturated with content. To stand out and succeed, you need to be consistent, creative, and strategic all at once. That's a tall order, especially when you're juggling everything solo. This is where AI steps in like a superhero sidekick. AI can automate routine tasks, analyze data more efficiently than any human, and even assist in the creative process. When you automate parts of your workflow, you get more time to focus on creating killer content and engaging with your audience, the stuff that really matters. Whether you're a newbie looking to get started or a seasoned pro wanting to scale up, AI-powered tools can help make your YouTube journey smoother and more efficient. Let's explore how you can use AI automation to crush your YouTube game. We've all been there, staring at a blank screen, trying to come up with your next video idea, while the clock ticks and that looming deadline approaches. Instead of relying on last-minute inspiration, let AI be your creative assistant. AI text generators like ChatGPT and Copy.ai are excellent for brainstorming content ideas. All you need to do is feed the AI a prompt, describe your niche or the type of content you want to create, and watch it spit out ideas that can spark your creativity. It's like having a writing partner that never runs out of energy or enthusiasm. Want to create a listicle, a tutorial, or a reaction video? AI can help generate unique angles and ideas for all of these. This takes the pressure off when you're struggling with writer's block, giving you fresh concepts to explore. Pro tip: to get even more specific ideas, use YouTube's search autocomplete feature in combination with AI. Type a keyword related to your niche and see what suggestions come up. Then ask your AI tool to expand on those suggestions. Boom, you've got your next video idea. Once you've got your idea locked in, the next step is scripting. While AI can't replace your unique voice or the human touch entirely, it can help speed up the process by giving you a solid foundation to build on. Jasper.ai is an AI tool designed specifically for copywriting, and it's incredibly useful for YouTube creators. Whether you're creating educational content, product reviews, or storytelling videos, Jasper can help you outline your script or even write sections of it for you. It generates natural-sounding text based on prompts you provide, so you're not starting from scratch. Simply input the structure of your video, introduction, main points, conclusion, and let Jasper fill in the gaps. You can edit and tweak as needed, saving time without sacrificing quality. Pro tip: if you're doing a video where you talk about a specific product or tool, Jasper can even help write your call to action or description text, maximizing your chance of driving conversions. Automating video editing, where AI really shines. Video editing, the part of content creation that can suck hours or even days of your life away. If you're looking to automate this process, AI offers some fantastic solutions that can shave down your editing time drastically, giving you more freedom to focus on the creative aspects of your work. Descript AI-powered video editing. Descript is a revolutionary AI-powered video editing tool that makes editing a breeze. One of its standout features is the ability to edit video like you would a text document. Say goodbye to clunky editing interfaces. Descript automatically transcribes your video, and you can cut or rearrange parts of your footage simply by editing the transcript. Want to remove filler words like or Descript's AI can automatically find and delete them with a single click, but that's not all. Descript also offers voice cloning, which can re-record your audio with your own voice. Made a mistake in your script? No need to reshoot the entire video, just edit the transcript, and Descript's AI will correct the audio. Pro tip: use Descript's automated captions feature to add subtitles to your videos in minutes, helping you reach a broader audience, including non-native speakers and those watching without sound. Runway ML AI-assisted visual effects. If you want to take your video production up a notch with visual effects, but don't have hours to spend learning complex software, Runway ML is your go-to tool. This AI-powered platform helps you add high-quality effects and animations to your videos with ease. From background removal to adding dynamic text effects, Runway ML can do it all, and it integrates smoothly into existing video editing workflows. Plus, with features like motion tracking, color grading, and object detection, you can create professional-level content without needing advanced technical skills. Pro tip: use Runway ML's AI-powered green screen to change your background without needing an actual green screen, making your videos look sleek and professional. Automating thumbnails. First impressions matter. We all know that an eye-catching thumbnail is crucial to your video's success. It's the first thing people see, and it often determines whether or not they'll click on your video. Creating a custom thumbnail can be time-consuming, but with AI, you can automate the process while still producing high-quality, attention-grabbing images. Canva's AI-powered thumbnail generator. Canva is already a popular tool for creating YouTube thumbnails, but did you know it has AI features that can make your job even easier? Canva's AI can suggest layouts, color schemes, and elements that are optimized for engagement. Plus, its drag-and-drop interface makes it simple to design professional-looking thumbnails, even if you have no graphic design experience. Want to make sure your thumbnail is optimized for clicks? Canva also has preset dimensions and design tips specifically for YouTube, so you don't need to worry about sizing or formatting. Pro tip: use Canva's background remover AI tool to isolate your subject from the background, giving your thumbnail a clean, polished look. Add bold text and bright colors to make it pop even more. Automating uploads and SEO streamline the final step, so your video is filmed, edited, and ready to go. Now comes the part that's equally important: uploading and optimizing your video for YouTube's algorithm. Fortunately, AI can help with this too. TubeBuddy for SEO optimization. TubeBuddy is an AI-powered YouTube extension that helps with everything from keyword research to SEO optimization. When you upload a new video, TubeBuddy will automatically suggest tags, titles, and descriptions that are optimized for search engines. It also provides real-time data on how your video ranks for specific keywords, allowing you to tweak your content accordingly. You can also use TubeBuddy to schedule video uploads, manage comments, and track your performance analytics, all in one place. Pro tip: use TubeBuddy's A/B testing feature to experiment with different thumbnails and titles, finding out which combination performs best to increase your click-through rate. VidIQ for keyword research. If you want to get even more granular with your YouTube SEO, VidIQ is an essential tool. VidIQ's AI analyzes trending keywords, helps you discover what's popular in your niche, and gives you insights into what your competitors are doing. You can use this data to optimize your video metadata, titles, tags, and descriptions, and improve your video ranking. Plus, vidIQ's AI offers a competition score which shows how difficult it will be to rank for a particular keyword, helping you prioritize which topics are worth focusing on. Pro tip: use vidIQ's keyword inspector tool to find long-tail keywords that your competitors might be missing. These often have less competition and can give your video a higher chance of ranking on the first page of search results. Automating engagement. Build a loyal community. Once your video is live, engaging with your audience is key to building a loyal community. But managing comments and responding to viewers can be incredibly time-consuming. AI tools can help you manage this process more efficiently. ManyChat for YouTube comment automation. ManyChat is a chatbot platform that integrates with YouTube to help automate your comment section. You can set up automated replies to frequently asked questions or comments, ensuring that your viewers always feel heard, even when you're busy creating new content. While personalized interaction is still important, using AI to handle repetitive comments saves time and allows you to focus on more meaningful engagements. Pro tip: use ManyChat to automatically direct viewers to your latest video, upcoming live streams, or other content, driving engagement and boosting your watch time. Conclusion: the future of YouTube is AI-driven. There's no doubt that AI automation is revolutionizing the YouTube landscape. From generating video ideas and writing scripts to editing videos and optimizing SEO, AI tools can save you countless hours while improving the quality of your content. Whether you're just starting out or you're an established creator, embracing AI will help you work smarter, not harder, and grow your channel more effectively. So, are you ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level? Start integrating AI into your workflow and watch your productivity and subscriber count soar. And before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content on YouTube automation, AI tools, and tips to grow your channel. Make the background music rock and roll.